What makes a good business analyst and what makes a great, amazing business analyst? Hey everybody, welcome back to another business analysis video. In today's video, we will be differentiating between a good business analyst and a great business analyst. Let's dive right in. So, what exactly differentiates a good business analyst from a great, amazing business analyst like me? So what differentiates the good from the greats? In the realm of business analysis, what differentiates the good from the great? A good business analyst can dissect a problem. A good business analyst can gather requirements, and a good business analyst can provide solutions. But a great business analyst, on the other hand, they bring a little more to the table. So in today's video, I'm going to be exploring 5 areas that describe or define a great business analyst. The first one is deep dive into understanding. A great business analyst deep dives into understanding the problem, root cause analysis. So while a good business analyst ensures that they understand the requirements, a great business analyst dives deeper, right? They question underlying assumptions. They ensure that solutions address the core issues. We're not going outside. We are focusing on the core issues and not just the surface level symptoms. Think of a business analyst as a doctor. If you have a migraine, for instance, a good doctor will tell you to take paracetamol. A good doctor will tell you to take paracetamol, sleep in a dark room, and hope for the best, right? A great doctor, on the other hand, will ask further questions. When did your migraine start? Right? Have you eaten? How often do you eat? Do you feel stressed? Are you tired? Are you exercising enough? Are you resting enough? Are you working too hard? Right? They are looking for what exactly is causing this migraine rather than your symptoms of the pain and your symptoms of having blurred vision, for instance. So that's what a great doctor would do. Let's compare this to what a great business analyst will do. They will ask the right questions, continuously ask why. They will continuously explore the various problems that are experienced by this stakeholder rather than just give a solution. Say, okay, this is what you're going through. This is the solution. You should be fine. So a great business analyst, again, dives deeper. Root cause analysis, continuously asking why until you can't break the requirements or the user story any further. The second area is in stakeholder engagement, which is one of the key skills that a business analyst should have. Stakeholder engagement skills. A great business analyst doesn't just relay information between your teams. You need to engage with stakeholders, the ones that the change or the requirements will impact. So a great business analyst will foster that trust, will build relationships, and they will create an environment where stakeholders feel valued and understood. That is what a great business analyst would do. You don't just have your initial one-to-one with the stakeholder, gather your requirements and end it there. A great business analyst will continually build in that relationship, keep the stakeholder engaged and updated about the progress of the project, seek feedback, try to solve any problems that stakeholder is going through, right? Our skills is not just around the technical tools and techniques that we bring as business analysts. It also includes our soft skills. Okay, so the third area I want to look at is a great business analyst is forward thinking. You think forward ever, backward never. Right? So having forward thinking or being a great business analyst is not just about solving today's problems. A great business analyst anticipates future challenges. What challenges will this requirement bring in the future? If we are meeting this requirement, if we are changing this process, what challenge do we anticipate in the future? Could we experience in the future? A great business analyst will also ensure that solutions are scalable and adaptable. What changes could come in the future? Are we ensuring that this requirement or this new change can adapt to future impacts, to future challenges, to future changes? Is it scalable? Again, it still comes down to asking the right questions, but overall, a great business analyst is forward thinking. Now, the fourth area is technical acumen and soft skills, right? Anytime I say technical in any of my videos, please don't misunderstand it for coding, coding and having Python knowledge and knowing SQL. SQL is a good skill to have, by the way, but please don't mix it up. When I say technical acumen, I'm referring to our technical tools and techniques that we need as business analysts. And soft skills, again, communication, relationship building, stakeholder engagement. We need to have a balance. That's what a great business analyst will have. So like I said, a great business analyst has a balance between technical acumen and soft skills. They're technically adept, understanding the nuances of tools and systems, but they also excel in communication, negotiation, and leadership skills. Having balance. The fifth area is continuous learning. This one is very important. Very, very important. So a good business analyst will just do foundation business analysis and just start working and never explore other areas, right? But it's hard to be a great business analyst if you just sit where you are, because the business world evolves constantly. It's constantly changing. We looked at external and internal environmental factors. These things impact organizations and businesses. This is how our project starts, right? So great business analysts remain students at the heart. They remain great students at the heart. They stay updated with industry trends, industry standards, with methodologies and with tools. Okay, you explore various courses, you explore various areas within your organization that you can learn, add value, right? Continuously asking questions. So as we reflect on this journey from being a good business analyst to a great business analyst, it should become clear that the transformation is marked by proactive thinking, right? There are three main things: proactive thinking, exceptional interpersonal skills, those soft skills, and an underlying thirst for knowledge, always seeking to grow, having growth mindsets, right? So these are key. It is key for you to become a great business analyst. I want you all that are watching to become great business analysts, because I know that's why you're watching, right? So one thing that I'm offering as part of Business Analyst School is the membership opportunity, where you can explore various on-demand courses, including Foundation in Business Analysis, and various other masterclasses within that space, as well as monthly live sessions with me. Monthly live coaching sessions on the last Friday of every month, but you have to click the link in description to join the membership. We also have a community of aspiring and experienced business analysts that you can learn from and ask questions and just grow together as aspiring business analysts and just learn from each other. So click the link. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. As always, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content. You never know who it might help. Till I see you in my next one. Peace.